So in the circulatory system activity, I asked you to make little note cards, or they could look like this maybe. So here's one for the vena cava. I got veins, I got pulmonary vein, I got pulmonary artery, I got the lungs, which have the pulmonary capillaries inside of them. I have the heart, I have our body cells, I have the aorta, and then I have arteries. So what I'm going to try and do now is just place these in order. And you can really start with any card, knowing that the blood is going in a circle or a cycle in our body. I'm just going to start with the aorta, I guess. So now the aorta is the biggest artery in the body. The aorta is going to leave the heart and go to body cells through arteries. So the aorta is going to branch off into arteries. These arteries are then going to go to body cells. In the body, or right next to the body cells, are going to be all the capillaries, and this is where all the exchange takes place. Okay, now after the body cells, blood is going to go back to the heart through veins. Okay, when we're getting close to the heart, these veins are going to turn into the largest vein in the body, or the two veins, the vena cava. So there's one coming back to the heart from the upper body, one coming back to the heart from the lower body. Okay, the vena cava again then lead to the heart. So again, we're going from the aorta to the arteries to the body cells to the veins to the vena cava back to the heart. Now think about what leaves the heart, what always goes away from the heart. So arteries go away. So the heart then branches off into pulmonary arteries. The pulmonary arteries pump blood to the lungs so we can get more oxygen now. And then with this initial activity, the last thing, the lungs then pump blood through the pulmonary veins back to the heart. So the heart would actually also go there. And then the heart goes back to the aorta. So to go over this one more time, blood goes from the aorta to arteries, to the capillaries in the body and the body cells, to veins, to the inferior and superior vena cava. You can just write down vena cava. Back to the heart, then to pulmonary arteries, then to lungs, then to the pulmonary veins, back to the heart, and then to the aorta. And this is constantly going on every day of our life, really every moment of our life, this constant circling and transporting of blood. So this will help us get these in order, in the correct order, and help us study, I hope.